So right now, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano tayo magba-bike maintenance nitong bike na ginagamit natin for our bike touring here in Southeast Asia. So as you can see right now, it's very rusty since yung ruta natin going South Thailand is more on beach side. So we're camping on the beach most of the time and hindi mo talaga maiiwasan na because of the salt, yung tubig dagat, which makes this one very rusty. So right now, we'll try to clean this one up first. So this is the wet wipes that I use. Okay, so we'll be using this one to wipe all the rust later on, and then we're gonna put this one later. So this is a wax lube na gagamitin natin dito mamaya. Okay, so let's try. Ayan, super rusty na niya. By the way, we ride more than almost 200 kilometers from Bangkok going south of Thailand. Ayan. So, punasan lang muna natin. So, ayan. So, linisan lang natin itong ating chain kasi super rusty na niya. Okay. Ayan. So, hindi natin afford magpa-bike maintenance sa bike shop from time to time because there's not a lot of bike shop here in the south of Thailand. And of course, we're trying to save money as much as possible, so we're gonna do it on our own. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God. So, ganito siya kadumi. Look. So, this is the dirt na na-accumulate niya since we ride from Bangkok. Yeah, there's many more here. So right now we will put this wax lube. So what's good with this lube, it's non-sticky, so will not be attracting the dirt from the road, the dust from the road, especially the sand from the seashore, which makes this one all rusty right now. Okay, so let's put this one. Yeah. Like this. Ayan, so maraming mga bikers na nagkakamali because usually they will put it here, but it stays on the top. So better that you put it here sa kabila, dito sa baba, para makalat siyang maigi dito sa loob ng chain. So let's try, let's try it. Ayan, of course, if you have time, of course, ipapa-check natin to sa bike mechanic. And yon, so this is how I simply do my bike maintenance while doing my bike touring trip here in Southeast Asia, right now in Thailand. So if you have questions, you can comment down below. I will try to answer all your questions, and feel free to share this video if you find it helpful for you.